Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by connecting accounts and enabling basics. This avoids interruptions later. Once signed in, turn on Focused Inbox and add a default signature for quick replies. Next, create a simple rule to move newsletters into a dedicated folder so your main inbox stays clean. Make sure sync completes before continuing. It prevents missed messages. Also check account, sync frequency, and offline settings so searches and folders behave predictably while you proceed to deeper organization. Now you build the engine. Use categories plus flags to prioritize and create quick steps to apply several actions with one click. Once done, craft advanced rules. Filter by sender, subject keywords, size, or exceptions to automate routing. Save frequent replies as templates and schedule delayed send when timing matters. Make heavy use of search folders and advanced search syntax to find messages instantly. This saves minutes every day and keeps your workflow smooth while you close out. Finish by archiving and enforcing retention so mailboxes stay fast. Enable auto-archive or move old mail to an archived, PSD, and compact files. Once done, set rules to auto-delete low-value items and schedule a weekly cleanup. For reliability, backup important. PSD files and verify server sync. If Outlook misbehaves, first restart the app and rebuild the local cache, then run the inbox repair tool. If problems persist, check account settings and server connectivity to resolve.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.